Hello everybody, welcome to new brand series called Python Beginner to Intermediate. In this course, I will teach you all the basic concept to intermediate concept. So you will be like you can understand all the basic concept. Not only that, but also you can gain the deeper knowledge how we can link each concept with practical way. So this is my real project. It's a production based project. So if I talk about myself, so I already start my own startup. It's kind of audio streaming platform. So you can see this is the real platform. So you can listen song, you can comment, you can like, you can search, right? So yeah. So if your concept, a basic concept, a fundamental concept is clear, then you can build any project, right? So this video, this series, and this series will be beginner to intermediate. Well, so in this video, I'll give you the roadmap. Okay, so I'm just showing you what type of things you can expect from this course. Okay, so I create a roadmap. So you can see the Python mastery roadmap beginner to intermediate, right? So first topic, first introduction to Python. Why Python is very important nowadays. Just give you a preview. If you want to be, let's say, if you want to understand machine learning, deep learning, like called AI, or automation, so I think Python is the best language to know all the concepts, because machine learning, deep learning based on Python. Most of the things based on Python, right? That's why Python is important. Not only that, but also you can create a website like me. You can create maybe front end, a full stack project, right? So yeah, that's so where you can get advantage of Python, right? And second, we will understand variable and data types. What are variables and naming convention, and then the primitive data types, right? Then we will understand operators. What are operators are there, okay? And then we understand conditional, like if, else if, right? Basic things, then nested conditional, and then use case, like how you can align this concept with real use case. So this course will be, I'll just show you how can I link with the real project, right? So I think after completing this project, all the concepts should be clear to you, and also you can build a project. And then we will learn loops, for loops, while loops, and break, continue, pass, right? So this type of topic we will cover. And then function, why use function, right? And then parameter, return keyword, and then we will understand data structure. I think I think data structure is a fundamental things about things of any project, real project, right? So in this course we learn list, tuple, set, dictionary, and yeah, all the concept basic, and we can understand each terminology very easily. And then string manipulation, and then typecasting, and then error and exception handling, and then file handling, and then modules and libraries. So after completing these things, it's a beginner to intermediate. Then we will learn advanced concept, not fully advanced, but yeah, that is object oriented programming. This is the and fundamental things, right? So if you have fundamental knowledge, then this topic will be very easy for you. So that's why we have to learn. And most of the project, all the concept, we are using this object oriented programming, in short, OOPS. So we will cover two, right? So this is a roadmap. If you want to learn basic things, and then intermediate, and then advanced, and then the project, so this platform is very helpful for you, because I'm sharing all my knowledge, what I have, the real knowledge. So I will see you in next video.